Let's take a look at number 5. This is find the arc length of the graph of the function over the indicated interval. It says set up the integral, simplify by getting rid of the parentheses, but don't solve. Probably means it doesn't come out nice. Either that or I just didn't want you to work all of them all the way through because it would just be too much calculations. But let's look at this. Our formula looks like this. S is equal to a to b, and then 1 plus the f prime of x squared dx. So let's look at this one. 5. And we're going from 0 to 4, it looks like. So we got y is equal to square root of x plus 2, 0 to 4. Okay. Back to here. We need our derivative, f prime. So let's find that first. Now we can rewrite the square root of x as x to the 1/2. And then our derivative, take your power, put it out in front, lower it by 1. 2 disappears. So this will become 1 over 2x to the positive 1/2. Which will give us 1 over 2 square root of x. Well, that's the y prime, the f prime. And then we're going to square it. So I'm going to take my y prime and square it, which will give us 1 over 2 square root of x squared. This squared gives me 1, 2 squared is 4, and then square root of x to the second power gives you x. So that's that. And then we want to add 1 to it. So we've got 1 plus 1 over 4x, like that. Now we're ready to plug it into our formula. So our arc length is equal to a to b, and we said in this problem that was 0 to 4. And then square root of 1 plus 1 over 4x dx. Let me see. Set up the integral, simplified by getting rid of the parentheses, but don't solve. Okay, so we got rid of our parentheses. I guess you could simplify a little bit further by adding those two together. As weird as that seems, that's a mixed number. Mixed number form, I should say. So you can take this 1 times the 4x, gives you 4x, and add to 1. So we get 4x plus 1 over 4x. And then dx. Like I say, it says just set it up but don't solve it, so that's our answer right there.